All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. British. To be from Britain. From Britain. Here we are. Let's get that. From Britain. Yeah. How cool is that? So, it is a British book or British novel. These are British companies, for example. Yeah. With a capital letter. Definitely. Very good. Yeah. So, we could then say, this is a British business. How cool is that? These are British inventions. Inventions. This is British technology. Technology, yeah. Could say then, I am British. You are British. They are British. She is British. He is British. It is British. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So I am a British teacher. Very good. You are a British, citizen. British student. British student, for example. And they are British authors and writers. They are British artists. Artists. How cool is that? She is my British neighbour. British neighbour. Yeah. He is a British man. He's a British man. He is a British person, for example. Person. Yeah. And it is a British custom, a British culture. It is a British custom. These are British foods. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. British foods, definitely. Yeah. So we could say then, why did you go to a British city? Which British city did you go to? Yeah. I went to Birmingham. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? We're going to one of the famous British castles. A lot of castles across Britain. A castle at every corner. A castle. Castle at every corner. Yeah. So I'm going to see some British castles. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? And when will the British investors arrive? When will you talk with the British customers? Yeah. Yeah. I'm planning to talk with some British advertisers soon. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. British. Yeah. So, to be from Britain. So, can you use British in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.